Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the surface and mixing your varnish. Clean thoroughly so the varnish bonds. Sanding with 220 grit creates tooth for adhesion. Once done, wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. Choose gloss, satin, or matte based on reflection and protection, and stir the can gently, agitating traps bubbles. Pour small amounts into a clean tray to avoid contamination. Apply the first thin coat with a high-quality brush or foam roller, working with the grain and maintaining a wet edge to prevent lap marks. Once the first coat is dry, continue by applying subsequent thin coats to build protection without runs. You want thin layers because thick varnish sags and traps solvents, so wait manufacturer dry times, often 2 to 24 hours, before recoat. Make sure to sand lightly between coats with 300-400 grit to level dust nibs and promote mechanical bonding. Also control humidity and temperature. High humidity slows curing and increases blush. If you see bubbles, you finish by applying the final coat with confident, consistent strokes, checking edges and corners for buildup. Make sure the last layer is thin and even, heavier layers lengthen cure time. Allow the varnish to harden. Full toughness can take days to weeks, so avoid heavy use until cured. If you encounter runs or sags, wait until tacky, then gently level by sanding and reapplying a thin coat. If contamination occurs, sand to clean wood, then revarnish. Patience prevents permanent flaws.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.